The 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, bucket seats, MP3 player. Come see the car for yourself.